like to hold on tight. 'Cause you think our love is hard to find. And I'll paper houses reach the stars till we break. Why did we lie to fall so far? I got a young heart and it's wild and free. Well, I don't know where it starts and ends with you and me. It's alright as far as I can see. Well, I don't know where we're going, but I'll be back to you. Because the two kids trying to start a fight. No matter where we go,
That will be alright.
'cause I'm asking for a bit of
Patience, please.
because I know
When to come, it's coming for you and me. Time's never been on our side, so won't you wait for me? I lead a selfish life, 'cause that's what I need. What do I have to do to make you believe it's all for you? Smash your guitar in my face!
I can't understand how you guys live in this heat. Honestly, I played golf today,
What?
shot power, and I was absolutely dripping with sweat by 8 o'clock this morning. I can't deal with it. I've got... This next song is my favorite song of this album. The song that I ended up naming the album after.
I love fucker!
It only took me 20 or so minutes to write because I knew exactly what I wanted to say, and I guess it's a good thing about a bad thing. You know what I mean? Try something that doesn't happen a lot these days. But I think we could create quite a moment here if everyone stuck their phones in their pockets just for a few minutes.
Okay, bye!
Yeah, I know in my heart you're the constant star. Yeah, I let you use me from the day that we first met, but not the
Falling for your fool's gold.
oh, not has been absolutely incredible. I really, really appreciate it. We get to, us boys up here, we get to travel the world. And every day, it's a different country, with a different crowd, and it's all thanks to you guys. We get to come to the other side of the world and play shows, and I understand completely how hard it can be for people to get to shows these days. It can be quite expensive, and I pay for multiple family members and things like that, and I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. There are a lot of shows coming your way over the summer, and I really appreciate you guys picking me. Can you give it to me one last time for Mirrors? I want you to tear the roof off this place. Are you ready? Good night, Singapore. See you soon.
That's all.
She goes the door. She hides behind her face, and I know she feels the skin
Touch the floor.
Let's go! She closes the door.
She has the eye to face, nobody knows. She feels the